take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Genjutsu Shugi Yusha no Okoku Saikenki Volume 10 is the 10th volume of the light novel series, written by Dozumaru, and illustrated by Fuyuyuki, and is going to be released on June 25, 2019.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Carla Vargas Karora Barugasu is a recurring character of Genjutsu Shugi Yusha no Okoku Saikenki series. She was formerly the second-in-command to the Air Force of the Vargas Duchy and is currently a slave maid to Kazuya Soma and Lisha.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Genjutsu Shugi Yusha no Okoku Saikenki, lit. A Realist Hero's Kingdom Rebuilding Chronicle, also known as How a Realist Hero Rebuilt the Kingdom, in the official translations, is a series written by Dozumaru, originally as a web novel.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.